Storms. You heard in the news, पढ़ा होगा solar storms. Solar storm. When solar storms are very strong, what happened to the earth? This protective layer, it get like this. समझ रहे हो मैं क्या किया अभी? Now this is a position of what? Solar storms. Solar storms contain CME, gamma rays, X-rays, and all kind of things. And the solar storms containing strong, harmful radiation of what? Gamma ray, X-rays, solar flares and all. It's moving. So it push which layer? Protective layer towards the earth. And this is becoming a long tail. Geotail. That's called geotail is there. It get protected. It is very, very strong. It can push to the earth very close. If it get disturbed, it may sometime it come very close. It disturb the ionosphere. Disturb ionosphere, and this produces a event called solar storms. Are responsible for which events on the earth? Geomagnetic storms. Geomagnetic storms. It's a geo means earth, magnetic storms. Means earth magnetism get what? Disturbed. But during a strong solar storms, earth, so here ionosphere, right? Ionosphere, magnetism get distorted. Think of ionosphere magnetism get disturbed. Abhi, now here you have satellites. Think of idhar kya hai? You have satellites. Satellites are used for which purposes? Telecommunication purposes, broadcasting purposes. Okay, or this area on the ground have what called? Which lines? Power lines, telecommunication lines. Please understand this part of thing. When geomagnetic storms hit the earth, it will disrupt three main things. It black out what? Even entire satellite get burn out. It hit this storm, meet the satellite become unoperational within seconds. Second, electric grid get failed. Power lines, you might have seen power lines are running properly, big spark and all get grid off. Electric grid get out of the line automatically. Telecommunication, internet is working, television is working, mobile is working properly, all telecommunication networks, suddenly it get disrupted. Who disturbed this? Answer is what? Geomagnetic storms. So we have to, that's what the repair, wear and, like you might have seen ISS. Scientists keep on going International Space Station, we keep repairing different instruments. ISS का main काम क्या है? Different satellites which become inactive because of they remove the components, change the components. That is the major work of ISS. It's not उनको बैठ के only experiment. Next one is all the satellite which is working in the space, they need to be repaired, changed. Everything has been done. Some of the electronic equipments become malfunctioned. So finally, satellite malfunctioning, power line disruptions, telecommunication, International Space Station itself get disrupted. Is it cleared? So it's a big holocaust may be possible. So geomagnetic, so a question banta hai 10 mark kar this. What are geomagnetic storms? Okay, when you see the sky, when you see the sky, especially in the North Pole direction or South Pole or Arctic and Antarctic, you can see the sky with different color and very ghost type images in the sky get developed. You do not know, like when you see the sky, you suddenly see very random figures are being developing. And that is called Halloween sky. So this Halloween images. So Halloween one, when sky appeared with the different colors and different irregular images. Halloween, you heard of Halloween storm is connected with what? Geomagnetic storms.